How to participate in events in Score Hero. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Score Hero and want to earn rewards, bonuses or special items, then you can participate in events. But first of all, make sure that you've completed the level 17 in order to unlock the events option. After you complete level 17, the event option will unlock, and once you go to events, you'll be able to see the events you can participate in. Go ahead and choose one of the events before joining in. See the rewards you'll get. I'm just gonna go participate in this event over here. Tap on the play button underneath the event and get ready to play. You'll then be able to play the event, and after you complete the event, you'll be able to receive rewards. So there you go. That is how you will be able to participate in events on Score Hero. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.